come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way.
Scanty. What will you do?
No more dear sir. From when a scanty woman.
Many are brains.
Money brown to me, chair. Ah, Obaya Scanty, one who Poku. From when you are to me, apart from several from when you cry on me, the chain, Obaya, no chair. But from you show Poku, not the old worker. Huh?
Really, I'm sorry, have you seen him?
Kobanes, I bet you.
I'm sorry.
Don't be doing that. You are such a nice. Why? What's wrong?
Can you believe such?
Why?
You, Opoku, have been trusting you as my boyfriend. And I told you what happened at the house and now what they're distributing.
You've been trusting Opoku as
my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? Okay, just a normal friend. Or
We are dating.
your fiancé? Opoku? Okay. And what happened?
I trust you and told you what's happened at the house and now what distributing. What can it be? We are.
Which house? Momo house, Momo dormitory, and I say.
You feel?
Maybe. So you are dating Opoku, and you told Opoku what has been happening
At the house.
at your house, and he came to spread the news in school. And then I'll catch you.
Auntie.
See Opoku there. So
you haven't heard of anything?
No. I've not heard anything from Opoku. What happened?
I'm just looking for Poku.
Just give me a tip off so that I can assist you. I can even tell you where he is. Huh? Catch him. You can be there. You can be there. You meet match with Opoku. And I can't. There can make them match. Can be chairman. Be keep to why then?
My catch them papa bo me mama na wa ba beton.
Oh papa bo man. I no Opoku abeton. Now I can tell you about it. Into that school money na when you be a fan of them for and that's when you be and dating say form 1 you now dating form 3 ni. Ube dating form 3 ni you cry when you papa for be so Opoku. Huh? Opoku ya school money na we my J through Opoku na bon. Ono say concern.
Concern.
No Opoku is no concern. School money na Opoku. Wa say na wan kan che no kro beka. Na o kan kro na ka chen se man nka kro na beka ne kesi. Na we are ne din komo as girlfriend.
My J to me for na mens.
Let's say the can catch you. My J to fu Opoku. And you didn't listen to him. No. Then about him go date Opoku. From 1 year our school. Was all so now tenancy sua de se na be a bedu from tribe kwa ko trowa si no pass no nya be papa ko jam. Unam school mo na nketwa de. Ohun ya de. Oba wonya from train ni Opoku. Dey Opoku be ya ma o. Ebia ne se mo fie nsem. O papa on a headmaster or head school we almost 30 years ni o. Yeah, but I was so head school be 30 years. Ni fie asem mba hada. Oba school mu a form 1 oba unyenya 2 months kra. What be Tom fie asem am Opoku spreading news no school. What na yes sir?
I trusted him.
You trusted who? Huh?
Haven't you seen him?
Opoku. One day somewhere there he's not around. He's not at the hostel. Somewhere he's around gossiping. But
where exactly?
Wait, I'll tell you where he is. But first of all, let me advise you: go and break up with him. When you Opoku njai, so that's well. On your papa, no Opoku beside us. How were girls for school more? Can't Madam Tia na ni mudu ne girl. Can't Madam Opoku onye. So person do life basa. So kwa jina simu so huna ma shede jina simu so kasa no wan aka chance so let's break up.
Ntoka sa ya kache amenka se.
Ntu be kasa.
Nka sa Adam na kache.
Share. Mimi tia na so kasa me na me kan. Just go and break up with him. So I'll show you where he is. Our canteen Madam no.
tuntum
tete. No do you be no say oboa na mama for na oboa. Me girl name can't.
I'm going there, so I'll say thank you.
Shedo chire. Fomo for pa na so focus on your girl school mo. Okay.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be
Tatiana baby. My love and my love,
I
Tatiana.
Tatiana me.
Tatiana. Where from that bombastic side eye? Tatiana.
Hey. Men cast them children, you spreading it out. Is that how you are?
Me spreading it. I said, "Man, I can't tell me Tatiana. I'm not spreading."
Saying what's a day only was him.
Tatiana. Tatiana, me pewasem. Uti. Simple say what you say from Hokra. Atia bisa. And then yasem. Bisa me. Bisa baby I'm crendam. Na me fanto. Oba before. Me kasa Hokra has a watch to hugu so. Ade Tatiana gana mai. My
Sana what say?
What about dying?
No, say pretend that's the one kabibia.
Tatiana me.
Me no want now one country say me papa bo me mama na wa keka kama papa party.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Enti wanka.
Debi me ba over party. Me no go bi obo banim.
Me no net na kan tu na de koy. Ka wan ko country bia ko bia anti.
Tatiana me ma na say bia me country obi o. Yele boys ni net won as enkomodidiem na se beto mu.
Wan yes.
Ana man kan nyinyi bia. Because me say akasa na ye ba papa no ma mentem. Man ka ze bia atino so.
Me ka say ya bona man na fu.
Me.
Fu no ni na aswa.
Me. Oh, me ka chenze ye hwe na sum keke man kan hu bia. Eso tro keke na ga say o papa bo o ma me.
Me ka ne sa chewa enti ne ko ka kira manfo. Why ma de o maka ni na abom. Why de o maka ye ni na abom che say.
Ado mo ka cho sister.
O peti.
Amusimi ye konkonsa na.
It is a why I wear so you konkonsa.
There be say de usi kana de say sa na ekowie. Hwe man kan hu say bia o papa bo ma me ana say bibisa o. Ayen komodidiem ele betom. Eno kra me fi asem kro.
En kan kire.
No mo di dove su nkomo say obi de ne papa ko court say yabon ne papa bom. Ena me ko fa betu say ene de ne headmaster asem ya be hia o. Yeso obo ne yire. Eno an yo.
Asem no. All right. Maka asem no what na waka asem. All right so unko distribute. Ana na atisa.
Auntie wan be ka kire o.
O peti. O obi smart koka. I don't know it's always at last. My dear to me for can be here.
My
hey, yan kan ya asem.
Tatiana. Oh dear me sorry.
Don't Tatiana me.
Tatiana me sorry e be CBM. Tatiana.
It's in the record. Don't come Tatiana. I'm not your baby. It's over. What you think?
Ha. Tatiana, we me sorry what?
When disappoint me one time. My trust worker so much you now walk.
I'm very sorry.
You're very sorry.
It's not going to quiet. Stop quiet.
Why stop quiet? Why are they near cause stop quiet?
Rachel, why? What's going on here?
Nothing is going on.
Don't you know what's spreading in this school?
That was
man ko besim.
David, I said come on here I am them so it is right. Oh, Rachel, why? What's going on?
Don't you know what's trending in this school?
That was.
I trusted him and told him say me papa bo mama what.
I'm Obedi's uncle. Yeah,
so you were there.
Oh yeah, I was there. Once he was telling us, I told him, like it's not needed. We don't have any business talking about the headmaster. He didn't mind us, and he was like, your father carried your mother and then used his name.
Subhanallah.
At once.
I'm a crana causa.
Men kasem konkonsa na no wede.
I'm a crana causa. Nipa be da man nipa so na yere so de na bone na ha no.
It's been go back. Men go parents.
Ha?
Adam scrag kai en kasa bi.
Oh yeah, no Adam scrag ho me kai. Ye two for jai kan na sila wo kan.
I said they can see madam ne.
Imagine anje jindam say that plastic chair mu me kire me din sekru. But ma me ka sem chow. Uba na adofo gina ho no man fo.
Eh, no adofo ne me na no sa ya on sam bugre na no ase o say me sit between there ko. You are not the two ya. It's over. Between I don't touch. Me na
it can never be over. Tatiana, you told me that you love me to the end of the life.
Like concern the uja ya me no be sad.
Tatiana.
Wait there, I say It's over. And my baby is over. It's over. It's over. Hey, and my baby is over. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna concern square them here King Kong, Minister of Information. So we knew about betting up idea. I'm fool killer. I do compare Roma for the beer.
You don't cast.
Last.
Now everybody go chop breakfast. Shayo. Have to say bye
yo. Say bye to Tatiana.
Bye yo.
Bye
to the love of my life.
Oh.
My ayo.
Oh.
Don't cry yo.
Oh.
I need the boy and shayo.
Oh.
I need the boy and shayo.
Oh.
Ada uhrumiana.
Oh, they say me ma ad-libs.
Oh ma me ad-libs eh. Mona nam school mo say dem open me ani.
And I mean, being common.
Opoku,
you were the same person who came to stand by us, telling us then the headmaster has held this.
Mama, Confo nyame.
Yo menyawo.
We dey minim senka we dey menyame so ne me de. Kamene ne tena school mu asomdwem. Me nkoko obi ho asem biem. Me nkofo ale mu obi nkono poison bia biem.
We dey wan kono poison ba wa ko kan.
We susu amu sa ma na bo me. Me dunyame wata soro. Ti we bo me school mu amene mo yenko ha. We do wrong.
A boy.
When is our Scanty in my journal? Me the first one as I knew am the fast year me do yakopon. Me let my bomudiam mo.
Bobo mi bia.
Man Tatiana, almost a condition much Tatiana. Massa,
e makala ni dada o. E fon, elegbemi e fon. Onu bi no sheme.
Awa igbenia.
No, me do be komi krum. Iyo de kula e be dan banchi.
Kwasi na banchi wan be tuma bidi.
Yeah.
Banchi ye de mi ko fufu wajim papa be dan me banchi.
Aroma. Yo. Bema. Wo ye nyo be mempe. Catch no. Wo ya die bi mempe Aroma. Me pese be to so ba ko. Ana me pese be to so mienu. Ana me ensa so esi. Aroma. Me ya bara no so on ne tete wona ni jejina one side ni o. Catch no. E ma me hu bi da. If you want to see the bad side of me, try with me about so. You to hear me?
When you're done, you tell me, okay? I said when you're done, you tell me. You continue, right? Oh yes.
I know who. Jim, dear, you were coming here like I don't know why I don't get home. I have fun to grow. Yo. Mimi nyane ama breta. Ge na mu so to sorry ani njinjina. Man for so ka kire me da me ti. Bema,
you're joking, right?
Me fanya siri yo.
Ama Breta is your sister.
This sister my blood. My own sister. Oh, my backbone.
Then let's meet you.
Must free your call. Oh, be me.
Before you forget, I think I have to remind you this. I was with Seer, and you came in. And the Lord asked me to leave Seer for you. You know how much I love that girl. So the fact that I left Seer for you should tell you that I am not into those kind of relationships, man. So I don't know what you think, but I'm telling you that there is nothing between that your so-called sister and
I. Family are not to for me. You catch you. See you know for me about to for me about no one for say no one for so bush phone now.
Yes, that is normal. You see, I am not saying Breta is not nice. Breta is a very, very beautiful girl. But bro, I am telling you that there is nothing between us. So why this? Why this? Why?
Manenya sa. Why? Se bibi ni ntama manenya sa mi donya na Aroma. So ma bibi si.
Na say Jimmy, right? Bro, I am fed up with these things, bro. I am fed up with this with Jimmy man. I am now a man of God, so don't provoke me, bro. And then I'll offend Jimmy. Show me what you refer to as Jimmy and Jimmy child, man. Show me what you refer.
I don't see my actual.
And then I will say to me.
Age me, me see my mom say we need me buy an bill. That's all.
And age me, no.
I
will work with her, bro.
What's it?
I will work with her today, tomorrow, and every day.
Me don't yanko pa mami hu no. Ana makacho no. Ana me makacho no. The mami hu so do ni me buy now. The shit you see. I say fucking boy like you.
I guess she's at the science lab, right?
Quiet.
I'm going there right now.
Call.
Man, my co-host is here.
Bro, Aroma.
I am going there right now.
So who mocha da me mocha.
Because when I prove this, I'm Aroma. I am not Brother James, bro. I am going there. So if you call yourself a man, follow me there.
What's your fanfula?
How I live my life. That's important.
What's your when you say we need to say the way you are za. You need so. But me doing me Aroma. Me doing me for the last time.
If you are now you me free, a bad day. No, bro. You know what? I don't have time for this, right? But I'm telling you, what you refer to as Jimino, I am going to do it. So if you are a man, come there and face me, bro. Thank you very much. I don't have time for this.
You want to chop my sister? If you don't know me, go and ask. Go and ask myself. Go and ask myself at the town. Go be some smoke room. Want to joke? Please pay on. I'll find your time, Wati. I'll find your time and push you. I did not see me proud. Hey, I did not see me proud. Every day, I me come here. Fucking boy, Maza, I'm so many by force. So we can't say one to me soon. I mean, I know what's not change. So what do you mean your budget? I must have made a for the card. I met my young with you.
Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
Adams. Opoku. Oh me akrama me boy. I feel that they do me so. Scanty. I feel that Jimmy, you know. Me so na do Jimmy na do.
That's some kasa bebrews.
And there some dem cause some na so dey. Adams. Who be school mo ame won to me da. Free day out to na school. Esi school mo ame chia o me fa yonko. Eno no me fo mbo nyina no.
Aden sisi am.
Me fo mbo nyina no. School mo me nya ni je da since oba school mo. Na me pre me ho nsam ani fifire. Enkosi oba pema ne mpene a. Adam so say from chia ko sneche. Wonim sneche.
Aden one is my best nature oba ben.
Oba ben so na wonim sneche. Wonim me ge. Ge ben so na sneche atere no.
Na school ma wo girl.
Asia me ni ge ben. Na me di sie mu ba se wo hu.
Me hu girl ben.
Wo hu
girl ben.
Wo so ge na Tatiana.
Sa.
Na re na wo se e fo bi Tatiana.
Ne headmaster ban.
Eh ye nti re na wo se friend Tatiana.
Some dem atete.
Scanty wonye. Scanty wonye. Ba me metro say se to do kuna ye bishito. Me tro busumi ya eduama bro. Scanty twen na hu. Me se twen na ba hu. Wo kwase ne che.
Mas ne tro say.
Na nim se ne che
na say again no say. Why say?
E dey so ka che again no.
Me nka hwe nchire no.
Asia me ne montena se ni nkomo no se ayi ne papa abo ne maame a. Wa fu me che aka che again se me di no konkonsa kire mo.
Me na me kan. Again is seminar me kind. Now oba ni say na to na o kan asem no kire.
Scanty. The boy ka asem von kura jina ho bi von.
Nti von na be ko me ne von wan na konkonsa ni.
Von jina ho bi na get mu mo di so ne von wan na konkonsa ni. Scanty say won try to the stand say who try to kura who start to cover ho.
Opoku say na me na o tie de me da akwa keka wan asem a kire good. Me kan hwe kire mo.
Na nimbi. Won ka de na kire wan.
Obu me ntimi nya o sa. Me ge no.
Waka floor. What bodan papa? Won ka de na kire ge no. Asia me kopa oba na be seneche. So say me ge ho feche mu nyina mo ge nti no oya oya me boa.
Me nka hwe. Ah? Me nka hwe. Me de me.
Mami ka se me chiro. Me nya akura ma. Utie me. Me nya akura ma. Entwa me ntro. Ge na bi na no nto aka chem se wo na kan. Wo so se na kan. What do you mean?
What it? Enyamia. Me can't share.
Masa, me nyabo flama wo.
Poku.
Me nyabo flama wo.
Poku abom.
Ko se me mo ya wan. Ah, me ko pe oba na ko twa me this. What do you mean?
Poku me na wabom.
Me bo ya wan. Share. Obi a hodu mi anso be hodu mi. Scanty mi donya me. Ene kama buwa mo ane.
Poku abom. Poku atami bi. Poku abom. Poku. Rachel. Yeah. How are you doing? Are you sure?
I think I'm fine. Oh.
You don't have to get, a bit picky with me and stuff. I just wanted to know how you're doing. When you came to the school, I met you, I introduced you to the campus, and I told you, pick your friends very, very well. Now look at who you want to pick as a friend. Opoku. Look what he did. Now you are here giving me attitude. I just want to know how you're doing, and you are giving me attitude.
I said I'm fine. Talk, I want to go.
You just relax. I just wanted to have a normal conversation with you. I know that maybe you are feeling a bit down because of what Opoku did and stuff. And I get you. If it was me, I would also be very, very pissed. But I just want to tell you that leave Opoku in the past. And focus on getting somebody better. Someone like me. I'm serious, Rachel. Because the first moment I set my eyes on you in this school, in fact, I was put in a trance by your beauty. The feelings I have for you, it's very, very, very strong. When I see you, I just think about you. I'm like, wow, if this girl was to be my wife, my woman, I would be blessed. I would be the happiest man on this earth.
Aren't you the one who was advising me?
Yes, I advised you to pick good friends. And I'm bringing myself as a good friend here. In this school, everybody knows I'm an innocent guy. I'm low-key. I just want the best for you. And right now, the best for you is me. I'm not trying to brag or anything. I'm not trying to boast. I'm just saying the truth.
Why are you so sure of yourself?
Just trust me. Habibi. Oh, Habibi. You shouldn't come and do this, eh? Look at me. Why are you acting all shy of a sudden? My feelings for you is like milk. It's very, very ideal.
Hey, aren't you going to do what Opoku did?
No, not at all. In fact, if you come here, I'll treat you like malt. I promise I'll treat you better. Just have trust in me.
Are you sure?
I'm very, very sure. Trust me. Whatever you want, I'll provide for you. I'll be the man you need, not the man you want to, the man you need. So what do you say? You accept? Or you want time to think about it?
Don't repeat what Opoku did though, if not.
I won't do. Nah, you shouldn't worry about that at all. My phone to say. And I hope you know.
Sorry.
Oh, my way, pa. I won't say. Yeah.
Sorry.
Don't so here. It's not her.
Wait, what's going on?
I don't think I see it. Maybe the pregnancy is giving her mood swings and those things.
Sure?
Oh, come on. And just forget about it. Let's think about the future. A lovely and sweet one with my newfound sweetheart, my new love, my new baby girl, my Habibi. Habibi, come, let me take you to Dubai,
So that. I was going to get some food, so there's one.
Sure, let's go.
Oh, then now only girl needs to how come.
What are you talking about? It was just a normal conversation.
A normal conversation.
Yes.
A normal conversation.
Why are you trying to make a big deal about this?
Oh. Remember I made you a man. Eh? Who's on him in him there? Ready for you all.
I'm aware. I am aware.
And see who ben ye now on and now pen ma for friends.
Now who said I'm going for other girls? Just because I'm standing with other girls, does that mean I'm me question more pana?
Oh yes.
I am not trying to flirt with them or anything. And then to me no you mean say my mini girl be uncle Jina obi man.
Tell me the main car say main car so obi home.
You are even aware it's the headmaster's daughter. Maybe I'm even trying to pass on a message that I need funds for this your pregnancy.
You're passing on the message to the headmaster's
yes,
daughter.
Because I can't find the headmaster on campus.
Hey,
Asantwa, you are overreacting too much. This is
me?
Yes.
Overreacting?
You are overreacting.
You are telling me I'm overreacting?
Yes, in this case you are.
Vaughn.
Yeah, relax now.
Me for me, Diago, you know me. You know me, you know what I'm capable of. Who need them to me here? It means don't even try to play smart. What did they make her try or not?
I'm just telling you the truth.
Joe.
There is nothing hidden anywhere. It was just a normal conversation.
Mommy will be fishy. Skin you alive, I'm telling you.
Relax, there is nothing there. Why are you trying to make a big deal about it? Anyways, when I get some money, I'll give it to you. But for now, I'm heading off to the boys' hostel. In case of anything, you can tell someone to pass a message to me. So.
In case of anything, I should tell someone.
Now maybe you can't find me. That's why I said pass on the message.
So are they away? I feel me car. No, I go Johnny for school. I no beating. No, I drink mood
swings.
Mood swings, babe.
Na mood swings. Abase.
We are the main penna. Make how can you say mood swings? Maybe a mood swings or.
I don't know. I'm sorry. I didn't speak well. I'm sorry. Oh, my darling. Sorry. Don't cry. Wipe your tears. Oh, my darling. Don't cry. Everything will be okay. It was just a normal conversation. You shouldn't get yourself so worked up and stuff. Oh.
I'm craving for rice soup.
Asantwa. Poku and Dane ne fan beji bia. En fan the nkondo bia he. Kono ko pay pound 5 cedis in Katia 3 cedis. Oh. Asantwa. Ode yanko I say mo sika bi phone. Oh yanko mo sika bi o phones me yi na me dey ato di an na.
Better mama.
What type of chigakra na?
Debi eni koto.
Ni sana na
ni dia.
Okay. Oh. Yes. Oh my yes. Yes. Really? All right.
Since Obano, Yana Kuma Swadi Mano, Mani Hunu say, One Wakuma Mohima, or said if I were Buomano, Manin Siasia say, O Donny Kuma, Yen Sarah, November, what dear? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, please, how are you doing?
I'm better than you.
Glory be to God. As you can see, I went for evangelism. Sir.
Yeah, you went for evangelism. Only for you to be singing Seer. What does that get to do with evangelism?
Oh, that was the topic for today. That was what God asked me to go and tell them. Manu who say, only wakuma muhima fa obuwa mano. Manin tiasia se odoni kwa. Yani Sarah. No, beside them, I'm aware the sir. So I just want to tell them that they shouldn't be doing that to them. You see, nowadays, there, married people are always fighting, say. And that you remind me before I go there, say, I'm not being a gossip though, but I heard something yesterday, say. Please. The boys were saying that the boys don't treat you abuse your wife. I'm not saying I trust that, but if that is the case, please stop that, because you don't have to be beating your wife. In a polite way, I'm begging you. Please.
So that gave you a topic for your evangelism today.
You see, when they told me, I just heard them. Though I didn't go there, I heard them and I went to the dormitory. So God revealed it to me that you see, Brother James, see what you just heard.
Hey, don't be foolish. Look at you. Have you been married before? Hey! Are you of age to marry?
No, sir.
What do you know about marriage?
Says I don't know much. That's why we look at you, people like you that are married.
Shut up.
So if you say if you beat your wife, then I'm sure I will do the same if I get married. I don't.
Let me tell you something. I've not beaten my wife. I don't beat my wife, and I don't intend to.
Okay.
So if you people are spreading falsehood about me on this campus, you better be careful. So now I'm your point of preaching, isn't it?
No, say don't take it that way. You're not the only person who does that. You see, other men do that. I mean, you're not the only person who
I'm telling you, I did not do it, and you're telling me I'm not the only person who does it.
Okay, I was like, in case you do that, then you are not the only person. You see, God directed me.
Let me tell you, henceforth, you are not going out for evangelism again.
Hey!
Oh, yes.
Jesus!
Yes.
So, what is that?
If you leave this campus and you go home, at that time you are under the care of your parents. Then you can go for your so-called evangelism. But as long as you remain here as a student, you are not going out for evangelism again. I hate nonsense. Pick your megaphone and leave here.
Hey!
Bring it.
Sir, please.
Hey!
Sir, please.
Do you understand? Bring it.
Sir.
Give it to me.
Oh, sir, please.
Give me the megaphone.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
The Bible.
Sir, please. I'm begging you, sir. Sir, please. Sir, please.
Idiot.
I don't do this thing on my own, sir. Please. It wasn't my intention to do this to you,
gossip.
Sir, please.
It wasn't your intention to gossip. It wasn't your intention
Sir.
to use my name to preach.
So you are taking it away, sir. So you are taking it away. Like you won't give it to me again.
I won't give it to you.
Hey! Christopher, I'm sorry. Christopher, I'm sorry. I am Unti. And I headmaster, you say, Ade. Ade, me nyaki study biam. And me must go ha biam. Ade. Me nyamba school ha na mo me say. Ade.
Hey.
And I make us am sorry. Na Unti and o me say. Me kwa sampaka o en sampaka na me ko e me fu obia. Ade.
Hey, leave here. You're making noise. Leave.
I will come. Oh, come here.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, so you're Maya.
Rachel,
Oh, Lord, I pray that I will.
my Habibi, my one and only.
Always trying to flex.
Oh, I'm not trying to flirt with you. I'm just saying the truth. You are my one and only. You know that, right? You know, I'm just so happy that now we're together and then nobody can, take us apart. But I just want to make some things clear about this relationship we're going to be in, okay? Alright. So the first thing is that in this relationship, I don't want you to be going around telling people about your issues anymore. If there's anything you can tell me. I'm not like that. Others who may go and gossip. I'm not a gossip.
Shame! Shame unto you! Ooh. Shame unto you! Bon sir! Deɛ na woyɛ nyinaa na wasekyerɛ. Wɔfa me n'akyi. Ɛde asɛm. Kyɛ sɛ wɔfa ne nyinaa na wɔne gye me gɛ wote yɛ dɛn?
Mesɛ da da ɔba na
Hwɛ.
obi bi ne me.
Jesus.
Opoku was so na dey na obegyina be.
Stand up and let's go.
You stand up and follow who?
Ɔba ne me. Una wo me. And I hear stand up and let's go.
Tatiana.
Not Tatiana.
Let me Tatiana me what my better so on the bema to so let me see them say.
Why are you here speaking to my Habibi like that?
Bon.
Opoku, be very careful.
We me boy.
We may review. Opoku. Hey.
Na me pedua me na buabo me akwa abofle.
Opoku, ça va c'est famba ho.
Me pedua me na buabo me akwa abofle. Vuvon. Ya bebe ma se boaje. Von. Na wo betima de me ge.
Me ma jiewie. Eban talks am the ball.
Penny Jimmy Kasabi.
Eban gaga akatamu so am the head the
Can you cause ya?
Me dunya me the ball.
Debre be say ho fa de afa. Baba na katamu dia.
Akata de ma some fan ball.
The whole school. The whole school.
Opoku.
Vo, and only for this side. Vo. Vo be so simati. Vo.
See we cheer we done deal. Transfer complete.
Today you be clapping for me.
Share.
Today, cause Milo, papa, Milo,
Opoku, Asa, I went in the hole.
Jim,
share. Oh, me fast out, share. The charge. No, it's no, it's getting. Share.
Rita,
Brother James.
how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm very, very fine. I came to share something with you. You see, I didn't come with my Bible. That is because I came to share something with you, but then this is not a direction from God. So as I said, God didn't send me to say this. I came to tell you something, Rita.
Okay.
Rita, there is something bothering me that I want to share with you. I don't know, ever since I met you, Rita, I can't get you off my mind again. Yes. Every moment we spend together make me realize how much I care about you. Yes, I know sometimes I'm jovial, I'm a bit jovial, so when I say something, people don't really take me serious. But this time, Rita, I am very, very, very serious.
Mr. James.
Don't make me smile. I'm very serious, Rita. I really care about you and I can't help myself.
I'm surprised, like Pastor James.
I know you'll be surprised, but you should know that I'm a pastor. I'm not a tree. You should know. I have feelings, Peter. I'm not a rock nor a tree. I'm a human being. I really enjoy getting to know you, and I can't help myself but I don't know, Peter. I'm in love with you. Yes.
How?
That's why I said I don't know how you're going to take this, but this is coming straight from my heart, and I can't force you to agree. But I'm just hopeful that you agree. But I love you.
You're in love with me.
I need you, yes.
Pastor James, you're in love with me. Britta.
I cried a bit me from Aroma.
Aroma. No more Pastor James.
You see, you can call me Pastor James, but then right now, I'm not sure God like what I'm doing, so call me Aroma.
Aroma.
Yeah. But on a more serious note, I really like you. I like you a lot, like very, very much.
I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this.
You're not ready?
Yes.
Well, it's normal. Yeah, it is normal. If you don't feel the same way, I understand. That's why I first said I can't force you to agree. I know you've been in a relationship before. I know maybe somebody has, done something to you that. Yes, I know.
think we're a lot, so me.
You're not ready for this.
I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I'm serious. I'm not ready for this.
If you're not ready, I'm not sure, then you don't have to call me Aroma again. Mr. Britta. Yes. Because I can't come and stand here and deliver this. You see the poetic words I was using, and all you can say is I'm not ready, and you're still calling me Aroma.
Pastor James.
I was just kidding.
Relax, okay?
That's how I am. No, I'm not angry. That's how I am. That's how I am. I was just trying to create some chaos, but I am not
rush,
mad.
Okay, you don't have to rush, because right now that I'm standing right in front of you, I'm thinking about it.
Okay. Well. Thank you very much. I like that you are thinking about it. So I don't want to stress you. So take your time and think about it. And you're sweating. Yeah.
Pastor James.
Okay, Chimba.
Okay. Yes, I want to.
You mean yes? Better, you mean you like me? You want to be with me? Like you love me? Love! Love!
Aroma.